Hello everyone, in this video I will show you step-by-step instructions on how to install Craft. But before we begin, make sure you have requested your copy of Craft version 4.0 from the DSSAT website, dsat.net, and downloaded it. Alright, let's get started by installing Craft. Here is my Craft version 4.0 setup. Double-click on Setup Craft Automation tool. In this window, you click the Next button. Leave the default folder path. Click on everyone. Click the Next button. Click the Next button. Craft installation tool is being installed. The installation process of the Craft installation tool will start. And after installing, you will see installation complete. You click on the Close button. Check the Craft installation tool shortcut on the desktop. You right-click on it. Go to Properties. Go to Compatibility. Click on Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Double-click on Craft installation tool. You will get an application window as shown on the screen. You click on the Install Craft prerequisite in the menu bar. Click Install MapWinGIS. Click on Yes. The default language settings is in English, so you click OK. Click on I accept the agreement and click the button Next. Click the button Next. Leave the default folder path. Click Next. Click Yes. Click Next. Click Install. Uncheck all these boxes. Click Finish. MapWinGIS installed successfully. The next thing to install is MySQL Server. Click on Install MySQL Server. Click on Yes. Click on Yes. This password root at 123 is very important. You will need it later. So notice root at 123. Click OK. Click OK. MySQL installer window. By default, is always on server only. So if it changes to any of these, make sure you remember to change it to server only. Click Next button. So we are ready to install my SQL server. Click Execute. Click Next. After installing, click Next. Under Type and Networking, the config type by default is in development computer. So you have to change it to dedicated computer. Remember to change it from development computer to dedicated computer. After that, you click next. You click next. Remember I told you earlier on the password, which is root at 123. You will need it here. You have to input it here, root at 123. You retype it again, root at 123. Click next. Windows service name, you change it from MySQL 80 to MySQL. Click next, click next, click execute. The configuration for my SQL Server 8.0.39 was successful. So we have to click finish to continue. Click on next, click finish. Click yes. The next thing is to install Redistributable. So you click on install Redistributable, click yes, click here and click install. Installation is complete, click on finish. These other two software are optional and not necessary for craft functionality. Their installation can be done anytime using the craft installation tool, unless we are working with the database. So we are through installing craft prerequisite. We click on install craft database from the menu. By default, you have your user ID, root, and the password as root at 123. Click OK. Are you sure you want to continue this with this installation? Click yes. Have you taken the backup? Since it's a new installation, click yes. Database created successfully. Please select OK to import essential reference data. Click OK. This application window will be displaying the message "Please wait." Depending on the computer, the process will take some time, about 5 to 20 minutes. My computer takes about 5 to 7 minutes to create the database. So you have to wait. Like I said earlier on, it depends on the computer you are using. So it may take about 5 to 20 minutes. As we are waiting, let me remind you that you need to install DSSAT version 4.8 on your computer to work with Craft. If you haven't installed DSSAT yet, check out the link in the description for the video on how to download and install DSSAT, or you can download it directly. You can request your own copy directly from DSSAT website. So you have to wait. We are waiting for Craft database to be restored. Once this Craft database is restored successfully, then you can install Craft Toolbox. Great. The Craft database is restored successfully. So I can go ahead to install Craft Toolbox. I'll click on Install Craft Toolbox. Have you taken the backup of listed folders? Click yes. You click the next button. Click next. Leave the default folder path and leave this for everyone. Click next. Click next. Toolbox is being installed. After installing, the installation complete window will be displayed. Then you click on the close button. We have successfully installed Craft. So you can go back to install Craft prerequisite to install these two other software, which are optional unless you are working with database. So since we are not working with database, I will close it. Check Craft shortcut on the desktop. Here is it. Double click. Click on accept. That is it. You have now successfully installed Craft. You can now start using Craft. If this video helped you, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials on DSSAT and Craft. Do you have any questions or stuck somewhere? Kindly contact us through the DSSAT website and we will attend to your questions as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.